Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create chord progressions and create simple melodies without any music theory. Okay, I've done a lot of videos on how to develop chord progressions, so I will keep on showing you the simplest way that you can make your own chord progressions. Okay, so we're going to do this right after the intro. Alright guys, we are in FLSTUDIO now, so we're gonna start with a tempo of 120 BPM. Then let me show you how you can create simple melodies. Okay, let's start everything from scratch. Alright, so we're gonna load morphine. Okay, let me use morphine for this one. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, then go to keyboard, then we're gonna choose this one over here. Okay, let's listen. Let me use this one. All right, then we go to the piano roll, guys. Okay, so if you go to this place, helpers, scale highlighting, and your own is at default, whatever the case, I want you to go to your helpers, then select automatic. Okay, just make sure this is checked. Very simple. So guys, when you look here, there's nothing highlighted here. Okay, everything looks the same, but once you start putting down the notes, this place will change. Okay, so I want you to place the note wherever that you want, so let's do that. Let's trace this. Let's change the tempo to maybe 110. Okay, so the moment you place this third note, everything will change. Okay, so you can see guys, everything has changed. Then just add the other notes. Very simple. So guys, listen to this. Okay, I'm gonna change this. Okay, so listen, you can even send it high octave. Okay, so guys, once you have laid down the note that you want, I want you to look at this. So this is C. Okay, so just go to this stamps here. Okay, then you can choose whether major or minor. Okay, when you choose, just delay this one. Okay, then place it at the same place. Okay, so now you can see everything is still on the note. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing to this one too. Over here, we go here. If you want minor, just choose the minor. You delay this one, then you place it here. But after that, check that everything is on the highlighted note. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing here, but you don't want to be going back and choosing, so just make sure you deselect this, uncheck this one, only one uncheck. Then you can go back, select what you want, major, delay this, hit that, then you check if everything is in the key, delay this. Okay, then select. Okay, so let's check if everything is within the highlighted note. From here, everything is on the note. This one too, everything is on the note. Okay, make sure you check well. Okay, so now that everything is on the notes, guys, listen to this. Very simple, guys. So once you have this, what you can do next is to hit this slice 2. Okay, hit this slice 2. I want you to press the alt key, then you can chop anyhow you want. Okay, something like this, so that to let me go forward a little bit, chop something like this. Okay, then hit delete on the keyboard to delete that. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Alt, then you use the slice tool, you hit delete. Very simple, guys. Alt, then you hit delete. Okay, chop it. Alt, then you hit delete. Okay, guys, so now listen to it. So it makes it sound more realistic, as if human being is playing it. Okay, alright guys, so let me show you the next thing that you can do to this to make it more interesting. Okay, another thing that you can do is to make sure you ungroup this. When you want to ungroup them, just go here, group, then you can ungroup them. Okay, so you assuming this one is grouped like this. Okay, what you can do is go back to the piano roll options, then group, then you can ungroup them. Okay, so you just select the middle notes. Okay, you transport to the high octave, you do the same thing here. Okay guys, let's do that. All right, so let's listen to this. Okay, so guys, once you have this, you can add your bass note by holding Ctrl and Shift, then selecting the root note. Then I want you to press only Shift, then you drag to create a duplicate, then hit arrow down button by holding Ctrl button. Okay, let's zoom in to add the bass note like this. Very simple. You can even control the volume of the bass by holding Shift. Okay, so that they will all be on the same level. Very simple, guys. So let's listen to them. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're gonna delete this and I'll show you the whole process, then show you how you can turn these chord progressions to melodies. Very simple. So let's say delete. So you just have to go to the piano roll options, helpers, scale highlighting, make sure you choose automatic. So once you come to the piano roll, just select any note. Okay, go back here, so just select any note like this. Just start placing your notes. Let me delete this small one. Just start placing your notes. Once you place the third one, everything will change here. So look at this. Okay, then you can add the fourth note to it. After placing the root note, guys, just go to the stamp, select the type of scale you want to play. Okay, so major. All right, then you can delete this, then place it there. Very simple. Okay, then go back, make sure you uncheck this. Okay, then you delete this, select minor, you delete this. Okay, then place it. Okay, then choose the one that you want to play, major, you delete. Okay, you delete this. Okay, so after placing the chords, then you check through if everything is on the key. Okay, the highlighted note. Very simple. So once everything is on the highlighted notes, what you can do next is to create a bass, okay, by highlighting this. And before you can do this, you have to ungroup this. Go here, group, then ungroup, okay. Very simple. So this, everything will be ungrouped, okay. Just highlight the bass note. You can do the same thing too here. So guys, just highlight everything, go here, ungroup, okay. Then you can select the root note, okay. Then just hold shift and drag, create a bass note, okay. So very simple, like this. Okay, so guys, once you have this, what you can do is to turn this into what? Melodies, okay. And if you don't know how you can create melodies, just go here, go to this piano roll option here, then you can use arpeggiate, okay. Just select that, okay. Then guys, it will create automatic melodies from the chord that you develop. So let's listen. Let's change this to flip. Change this to alternate. Then guys, you can even select from these options here, okay. So it will create arpeggiate for you. Okay, so just play around here. Okay, so you see that, just go through this. You can create simple melodies from the chord that you develop. So once you like, then guys, you hit accept, okay. I'm not going to accept it. Alright, so guys, what you can do next to create simple melodies from this chord progression is go to these tools here, then you can use the chop options, okay. So guys, listen. Then you can even browse from the presets here. You can even create okay guys. So once you like that, hit the accept, okay. Let me show you how you can also make sure that this thing goes speed, okay. You can highlight everything, then you can use this arrow here, this icon here, just hold it and drag it back, okay, to wherever that you want, and everything will go fast. So you can move everything within this box alone, Okay, very simple. Okay guys, then just highlight everything, then you hit Ctrl+B, okay, to duplicate. Very simple guys. Okay, then the next thing that I will show you is that you can even transpose this to any key. Okay, so just hold only the shift, then move it to any key that you want. Okay, so listen, let's move it. Okay, so guys, the next thing I'm going to show you is to how you can control the volume over here. Okay, so guys, you can select any portion that you want. Okay, then I want you to hit Alt R. Okay, then you can play with the velocity. Okay, make sure you select this. If you don't select, it makes it more louder, but when you select, it reduces the volume a little bit. So once you are okay, you just hit accept. Okay guys, let's go to high octave. Alright, so guys, this is how you can create simple chord progressions and melodies. Okay, if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.